Hello everyone, I'm Savita Hosamane here. As an active meditation facilitator in work life, I would like to share about how to bring in self awareness in our daily lives. Have you ever been in a meeting where a particular topic was on the agenda, but the discussion moved off in an entirely different direction? And in the end, you wonder what happened. This is mainly because of the lack of awareness of handling the situation. Now let's look at few more examples of the lack of self-awareness in our work lives. A person pushes past accidentally spilling coffee on the work table without even noticing it. Another instance is where one person dominates the conversation, unaware of others' attempts to contribute to this particular conversation. Have you ever noticed? Another instance is there are few people who pass insensitive remarks and they even tend to ignore the feedback. Lack of self awareness can strain relationships both in the personal and in the professional front, and it hampers our growth. In this mad rush of our daily lives, it's easy to lose sight of ourselves and how our actions are affecting those around us. So, how do we overcome this lack of awareness within us? What is that one tool which one can use to build awareness within ourselves? Well, the good news is there's a powerful tool that can help, and that is meditation. So, what is this meditation? Meditation is the art of being aware of what is going on within us and also around us. Just like a light bulb which lights up a room when it is switched on, meditation also lights up our inner world, that is, from the path of unawareness to being more aware. There are few myths when it comes to meditation. One myth is that people think that it is all about sitting in difficult postures with closed eyes, trying to concentrate the mind and control the mind, and so on. Meditation by itself is not a technique, it is a method which one uses to bring in self awareness. As the knack of self awareness increases, it can become our companion in our work and life. Because when we are more aware about ourselves, we can give our best in whatever we are doing. And to be aware, we need to be relaxed from within and not to be tensed. This knack of remaining relaxed, even in the middle of tense situations or busy schedules, it can be achieved by bringing in the concept of meditation into your lives, which is active meditation. Active meditation is for the modern mind who keeps facing stressful situation and still wants to remain calm and relaxed. By cultivating meditative techniques, we tend to become more aware of our actions. By making meditation as a part of our lives, we tend to become more aware of our actions and their impact not only on ourselves but also around us. We must understand that different methods suit different people. It is not one size which fits all. There are different techniques for the mind to relax. One needs to explore and find out what techniques suits a person. Overcome lack of self awareness with meditation. To explore different active meditation techniques, do comment below in the comment section as explore. We will be sharing details of our upcoming exploratory active meditation for beginners. And we look forward to hearing from you and watch out for our upcoming videos on meditation.